Hey, what's up, guys? Joe Genta here, Team Take Profits. I'm here to help you trade and get paid. In today's video, we're going to be doing Q&A session week 3. We got Jay Wayne with us, master trader Jay Wayne, YouTube sensation Jay Wayne with us on the video. And what we're going to be talking about today, because this is a very common question. We know that the Forex market is not like the stock market. It doesn't open 9 to 5. It's open 24 hours, 5 days a week. It opens Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern, and it closes on Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern. And so a common question that people ask is, what do you do during the weekends? You know, how do you prepare for the next week? What do you do? Maybe back testing. What do you do during the weekends that helps you to prepare for the upcoming week in trading? So we're going to hear from Jay Wayne today to talk about what his weekends are like. We're going to hear a little bit about what it's like to prepare for a coming week in the markets. So one other thing I want to plug, if you're a part of my team, if you're a part of my squad, you have access to a real special session. It's called the Sunday Night Owl. And what we do is we have a literal 9-figure trader, Christopher Terry, who sits down and gives us about a 2-hour session on Sunday nights, giving us a full breakdown of what he sees happening in the market for that week. So guys, you're literally able to sit down on Sunday night, go in and see the charts through the eyes of a 9-figure trader, 9 figures, okay? And he's going to show you what he sees happening in the coming week. So that's amazing. That's a special benefit. If you're on my team, you get to be a part of that. And, you know, it's exciting to do that. So back to today's video. What do we do in preparation for the next week? Like, comment, subscribe, and let's get to the video. See you there.
All right, here's another one, Jay. What do you do on weekends for Forex as a determination of what trades you're going to take the following week? And this is where I just want to, before I turn it to Jay for this, I just want to kind of put a shameless plug for the Night Owl. If you're in IML, you should be taking advantage of the Night Owl sessions with Christopher Terry. Sunday nights, 11 p.m., you know, jump on those sessions. And Christopher Terry is not only the CEO of our company, but he's an amazing trader, one of the best in the world. And he is going over charts and showing you what's going to happen for the next week. And, you know, I tell you, in those Night Owl sessions later in the week, we're generally saying, you know what, those currencies did exactly what Chris Terry said they were going to do. So I would encourage you, jump on those Night Owl sessions. I'll post some information about that in the chat as well. But Jay Wayne, what do you think about weekends for Forex, and how do you determine what you're going to be looking at the following week?
So that's pretty much going to be like the same thing I just kind of went over, just to add on to it. So on whenever the market closes, if you're too tired and you're tired of trading Forex or looking at the charts, then I encourage you either Saturday or Sunday, take a break from whatever you're doing. And if this is your passion, if this is your business, and you're trying to change your life, then you need to look at the charts and you need to see what it did for the week. You know, scalpers or whatever, we're so locked in to just this little bit of movement that we're not paying attention to the overall movement. What has it been doing? And so, you know, zoom out and see what patterns are forming. See what head and shoulders, see what double bottoms and double tops, and see what kind of pullbacks is happening at certain levels. Okay? That's what you're doing on the weekend. You're just trying to get a real big bird's eye view of the market. Where is it going? Well, I see it coming down here. I see we're down here again. Is this a fresh demand zone? Is it not fresh? Can it just go right through it? Well, let me be ready. Let me just be ready for this. Let me see how I react to this. You see, but if you don't take the time out on the weekend, or you're so locked in to just this little movement and this is all you're focusing on, then you will miss the moves and it'll happen right in front of your face, and you won't react to it, or you react the wrong way to it because you didn't do your homework. This is a business. You got to treat this like a business. It's going to pay you like a business. Don't half-step this, because you will lose your money. I promise you, you will lose your money. All right. So it's worth taking the time out on the weekend and seeing what's happening overall. All right. And you want to do that on the pairs that you're committed to. Don't worry about the other pairs. Or if you want to look at on the weekends, if you want to study your correlations, okay, these are my 3 pairs. Let me research what other pairs correlate with my main 3, and let me see how did they react. And that's gonna give you a deeper understanding. That's gonna give you knowledge that most people don't have. All right. And so now when we start talking about what's going on, you can join in on the conversation because you know what's going on. You studied it. You're going a little bit deeper. All right. But that's a simple answer, for you on the weekends. You just want and here's the thing. Forex is, if you don't enjoy every day, you got to come to this market to figure out the puzzle, the piece to the puzzle every day. And if you don't enjoy that, you have to enjoy that. If you don't enjoy that, then you're not gonna last long in this market. You have to enjoy figuring out what's the next move, what's the next possible 2 moves that can happen. Because it can either go 3 ways. It could go down, it could go up, or it's gonna go sideways. And you just have to figure that out each and every day. And so that's what. And on the weekends, we just trying to figure out the overall moves that happen for the week. And then how's that weekly move that happened for the week reacting to the overall structure of things. And that's all you want to do on the weekend. And then you go back to whatever you're doing. But that's what I recommend. That's what I do.
Absolutely.
All right, guys, so there you have it. This is what we do on the weekends. This is how we prepare for the next week. I can tell you that preparation is one of the most important things you can do as a profitable Forex trader. You can't just jump into the markets and start pressing buttons, guys, as you heard in this training today. It takes some preparation. It takes your mind to be in the right place. It takes your, your charts to be marked up and to be ready to anticipate what the market is going to do. So I hope this video helped you. I hope this was informative for you to help you prepare and utilize your weekends to prepare for a profitable week coming up. So guys, as always, I want you to like, comment, subscribe, click the bell, get the notification so you know every time a Q&A session's dropping. Thank you, Jay Wayne, for the great training today. And guys, make sure in those comments, let's talk about some preparation. Talk to us about what your weekend looks like, or maybe how this video helped you to utilize your weekends to capitalize on your market weeks. Okay? So like, comment, subscribe. As always, I'll see you next week, and let's get this money.